Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tools School. I received a question. Someone asked how to install and download HP app on your mobile device. HP app is the software that you need, or the application that you need for you to be able to connect your mobile device with HP printer for Android printing or for wireless printing, and this app is free. To do this, you need to go to your Play Store on your mobile device. So select Play Store. On the bottom of Play Store, you will see games, apps, and search. So select search, then go on top, type HP app. So type HP app, then select search. It will bring out Smart Printer Virtual HP. Then select HP Inc with 100 million plus downloads, 804K reviews. So select install, and now it's downloading on my mobile phone. After it installed, you will see install, then select open. Allow HP to send notification is not compulsory. Do not allow. Now the app is opening up. Now from this app, if you want to add a printer, then you go on top. You can sign in. You will see sign in. You will see plus and notification and profile for somebody. So select plus. Then if you want to add a printer, set up a new printer is the first option, or choose a printer available. Then select choose a printer available. It will start to search for available printer within your environment. So it's now searching for available printer. Most important thing also, you need to make sure your printer is switched on if the printer is already connected to the network. If the printer is not connected to the network before, you need to select the first option. So we are looking for available printer now within the environment. And the printer is found HP LaserJet MFP M140W is found. Then you need to select on the printer, and this printer now is added. This is how to install HP app on your mobile phone, then add a printer. I hope this helped you. Thank you very much indeed.